Hello, welcome to the July school holidays. One of the activities in your MakerBox is glitter slime. So what I've done is I've bought all the things that you need and you mix them together and you can have hours of fun with your slime. So this is one I just made. Obviously it's a pink slime. It's got some good slime abilities. And it doesn't get all over your hands. Probably best to play with your slime outside because it will get on bedspreads and carpets. Not the best to get off, but yeah, outside, super fun. All right, so do you want to make this one? Let's do it. I have given you a clear glue, which on the bottom of this container, it says 150. Okay, you need that one. I've also given you a clear container and on the bottom it says 100. So you need that one. This is your clear glue. This is your magic liquid. Okay, so this is your saline and your baking soda mixed together. The only other thing in your MakerBox is a white glue. Don't use your white glue. You've also got these cute little containers, these fairy vials of glitter. So I'm going to use 2. In your dome lid container, and you've got your spoon, I want you to get your 150, look on the bottom, glue, open it up and pour it into your dome. Use your spoon to get all the little bits out. You know, you could wash these and use these for crafts later because these are good little containers, or recycle them. And then you've got your little magic, which has 100 on the bottom. Now, you're going to pour this in as well. But first I'm going to put some glitter in the middle so that it's really mixed well. That comes out really easy, the magic. Now this part, with your spoon, you're going to mix slowly and gradually combine the 2 liquids. It's going to take you a good minute or 2 to combine these liquids. Don't rush it, just slowly combine it and you'll start to see something happening. Can you see it starting to form? Then you can get a little bit more deliberate in your mixing after it starts to form. Whoops. Now if you've got a clean workbench like me that is easy to clean, in a moment you can tip your slime out, because we know about slime that the more you knead it and mix it, the better those different chemicals combine together and turn into its own one liquid. So in a moment I'm going to tip it out on the table and I'm going to knead it, and I'll show you what it looks like after lots of mixing. Okay, a good 5 minutes of kneading and mixing, and look what we've created. This beautiful slime, glitter slime. All right, it's got good consistency. The glitter's on my hands, but the slime isn't. You can push it in together and hear it crackle. But then if you slowly pull it out, excellent. Have fun. And here's a container for you to keep it in.